Okay, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm enjoying doing it, so that's why I keep on doing it, using the phone to create content. Because whenever I do it and I watch the video, I'm like, so I could use my phone to create this type of content, and every day, just when I have a little free time, I just use to do rubbish. Okay, so yes, Christian, I'll just end here. Okay, just end here. For every x in the interval 0 to 2 pi, we have which of these inequalities is true. So A says that 1 plus sine x is greater or equal to cos x. B says that 1 plus sine x is less than or equal to cos x. And C says cos x plus sine x is less than or equal to 0. D says none of the above. So basically, we are going to begin with the third option, which is saying that cos x plus plus sine x is less than or equal to 0. So we are going to simplify cos x plus sine x. We are going to put in the form r cos maybe x plus a. In fact, your arrow here is just a square root of 1 plus 1 if this is 1 here and this is 1 here. Okay, so we have that this left hand side will just be equal to, I know you guys can do this, you can put in that form, so I'm just going to use my short method. So I'm going to have root 2 the cosine, no, yes, supposed to be minus because that, so I'm going to have root 2 the cosine of x minus tan inverse of 1 over 1 pi over 4. Okay, so we have that. Now you now realize that root 2 cos x minus pi over 4 is not always negative, it can be positive. So in fact the maximum value is root 2, so the maximum value being root 2 means it can be positive. So option C is wrong. Option C is saying that it is always less than 0. So we are now going to focus on A and B. All right, and then we see what we have. So basically, I will go graphically again. We are going to draw the graph of 1 plus sine x, then we draw the graph of cos x, then we see if this inequality is true in that interval 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so the graph of cos x, first of all, in the interval 0 to 2 pi, cos x begins from 1, goes down to pi, then increases back to 2 pi. So this is 2 pi, this is pi, this is 0. Now this is 90, and this is 270. Alright, so that is cos x. This is 1. That's the maximum value of cos x. So this is cos x. Now I'm going to send them withdraw sine x. Now sine x has an almost similar shape, but just that it rather starts at 0. So for sine x, it rather begins at 0. Right, so this is 1, this is negative 1, this is pi, this is 0, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi over 2, that's 270. Then this is pi over 290 because sine 90 is 1. Sine 270 is negative 1. So this is a graph of sine x. Okay, in that interval 0 to 2 pi. Now we are going to draw 1 plus sine x. Now for my basic explanation last time, 1 plus sine x means that I'm going to shift the graph of sine x 1 unit along the y-axis, specifically upwards. Alright, because I am adding 1 to the whole of sine x. So for the very values of x, the value of y now will be increased by 1. Alright, so we are going to shift to 1 unit upwards.